Hello everyone, welcome back to ours online class altogether. So today is very good. Today is Tuesday, August 17, 2021. So today in the first session, we are going to start our class with the listening practice altogether. So teacher, hope you all are ready as well. So you can open your book to page 13 today. So today we are going to practice more listening exercises on page 13. So yesterday we actually start our new units, unit 2, cleaning up, right? So teacher, hope you still remember what we actually learned, everyone. So do you still remember what did we learn so far yesterday? Yeah, we moved to this part, section A, which is find the words and number them in the picture. And teacher also explained you some vocabularies like the word chores, the word window, the word floor, the word dishes, the word garbage, as well as the word dirty. And we also finished this part and we move to section B, which is makes the expression, and then you listen and check the answers. So yeah, we finished this part as well. So yeah, this is what we actually learned yesterday, everyone. So teacher, hope you still remember. So today, like I mentioned, we are going to practice the listening exercises on page 13. So you can open your book to page 13 and we will start with the listening practice 1, which is listen and circle the word or phrase you hear. Everyone, so track 12. So for this part, it's very easy. You just listen carefully and then you circle the word or can be phrase that you hear while you're listening. For example, number 1, do you do any chores or dirty dishes at home? So which word that you hear or which phrase that you hear? So if you hear the word dirty dishes, you circle that one. And number 2, no, not really. I have to, and then we have clean my room, wash my dishes once a week. And number 3, that's not so bad. I have to do lots of chores or homework. So which one that you hear? It's very easy, right, everyone? You don't have to do anything. You just listen carefully and then circle the words. No, it's not that too critical for you. So now we'd like all of you to listen to track 12 altogether, and after that we will check the answer, regarding this section. So now you ready? Let's go.
A. Listen and circle the word or phrase you hear. 1. Do you do any chores at home? 2.
No, not really. I have to clean my room once a week.
3. That's not so bad. I have to do lots of chores.
Everyone, welcome back. So number 1, what did you hear? Do you do any? Very good. So we circle the word chores, right? Do you do any chores? So we circle this one. Alright. How about number 2, everyone? No, not really. I have to. Very good. So you hear the phrase clean my room, right? So clean my room. So we circle clean my room. So we circle this one. How about number 3, everyone? That's not so bad. I have to do lots of, very good, lots of chores again, right? Chores, right? We learned already. Yeah, so yeah, we circle the word chores. So yeah, that's it, everyone. Number 1, we circle the word chores. Number 2, cleans my room. And number 3, chores. So we finished this section, section A. Let's move on to our section B. Listen, write a letter that matches the picture. Track 13. So for this practice, you need to listen and then you need to notify which one that they talk first. For example, if they talk about this picture first, picture number 4 first, you can write letter A. If they talk about this second picture, the second picture second, you can write letter B. Understand, everyone? So you can look at the books all together on page 13, section B here. So there are different pictures, so they just got different activities, right? So now teacher will allow you to listen and then you need to write a letter that matches the picture. Everyone, are you ready? 1, 2.
B. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A,
Mom has to wash the dirty dishes after dinner.
B, Dad has to clean the floors every Monday. C,
The girl has to pick up garbage outside her school.
D, The boy is washing the windows with old newspapers.
Okay, so welcome back everyone. Excellent job. Alright, so number one, which picture everyone? Okay, which letter? Yeah, so letter D. Okay, so they describe the last. So they talk about the boy who is cleaning the window, right? So we put letter D. How about number two? Number two is letter, very good, letter B. So his dad has to clean the floor, right? So we put letter B. How about number three everyone? Yeah, so letter C. Okay, so the girls, she has to pick up the garbage, outside her school, right? So it is, letter C. How about last one? Very good. So they stated my mom has to wash the dirty dishes, right? She actually mentioned that. So this one is letter A. So she mentioned it's, the first, all right? So yeah, that's it everyone. Number one is D, number two is B, number three is C, and last but not least, number four is A. So teacher, hope you can get all the correct answers as well. Okay, if you all the correct answer, you can listen to my video once again, in order to practice your listening. Yes, so thank you everyone for your paying attention. So today we finish section A and section B. On page 13. On page 13, which is listening practice 1. And I hope you learned something from today's class. And see you once again in the second session. Alright, in the second session, we are going to continue our hangout lesson all together. So now please have a nice break and see you once again everyone. Bye bye.